Right, so here's my review on this electronic anti-snoring device. What can I say? Tried it last night. What a load of crap. It doesn't work. It says oxygen concentration CPAP. More like C-crap. I think they've missed the little leg off the first P there. But what can I say? If you look at the little machine itself, the only useful part is these little silicone things that keep your nostrils open to help you breathe. Putting it bluntly, but if you take that off, that comes off so you can clean that. You see the little fans inside? If you look, it says there's a filter. Can't see any filter in there, can you? The only thing I can see is the holes that's at the top and at the side. And if you switch it on with that thing, look at that. Little fans go around, but there's that little power in these things. Look, this is a little light plastic bag. Let me put that on top. Doesn't even move the bag. There's nowhere near enough oxygen or enough power coming through these little fans to actually push the oxygen down your nostrils into your throat to keep your airways open. So if anyone's thinking of buying one of these, don't waste your money. It was a waste of my money, and well, let's just say that's the only useful part of it. It keeps your nostrils open to help you breathe better through the night, and that's about it. So don't waste your cash, guys.